Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can sell on Instagram. So it's very easy. First up, you obviously need a business tools from Meta. So right over here, I'll explain everything. First up, you need to create or open a Meta Business Manager, which we are right over here, okay? And then obviously you need to add your Instagram. How you can do that is just simply log in into Facebook account and link it with your Instagram. So just simply press on login with Instagram. After that, you need to add your Instagram account. Once you've added it, you'll see an option of business settings, and then you need to press on account and then Instagram account, and then you gotta add login, okay? But before that, you have to make sure that you have already created your Facebook Commerce Manager account right over here. So how you can create that is just simply go to Commerce Manager, okay? And right over here, as you can see, how you can get started is add products in your preferred way, okay? It's very simple. You just need to follow along these steps, okay? Add products in your preferred way, and then share events from your website or app, and then start your catalog for ads. All right. So from right over here, you're very going good on your path, and then click get started and create your shop. So right over here, once you've done that, you have to press on get started and you have to press create shop and get started. So once this is done, now we're gonna go move on. After that, create a product catalog as I showed you, and then you gotta add products. So whatever product you have, and go to in Commerce Manager and then catalog, add items, and then add manually. Upload product images and price description. After that, connect catalog to Instagram, and then back in Business Manager, settings, business, shopping, and then select your catalog. Submit for review, and then you gotta wait for Commerce Manager settings, and then submit for review. The approval usually takes 1 to 7 days, almost a week, and then turn on shopping in Instagram. Open Instagram, you need mobile for this, okay? You need to go to settings, business, shopping, and select catalog, and then start selling. Tag products in posts, reels, and stories. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.